In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shipping profile in Shopify. Creating a precise and tailored shipping profile helps ensure that your customers have a seamless experience when ordering your products. By the end of this guide, you'll have a shipping profile that aligns perfectly with your store's needs. Let's begin by navigating to the Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, take a look at the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your Shopify store, including the shipping configuration we're focusing on today. Once you click Settings, a sidebar menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll want to find and select Shipping and Delivery. Clicking on that will bring you into the heart of your shipping settings, where you can configure everything related to delivering your products. Within the Shipping and Delivery page, you'll see an option labeled Create a Custom Profile, located in the Shipping section. Click on it to start creating your personalized shipping profile. This feature allows you to have more control over which products have specific shipping rules, providing flexibility for different types of products. Now that we're in the custom profile setup, begin by entering a profile name. This is what will help you identify the profile later on. So pick a name that is clear and descriptive. Something related to the type of products or shipping method might be useful. The next step is crucial, deciding which products this shipping profile will cover. You can choose to apply this profile to specific products or to all products in your store. This choice depends on how unique the shipping needs are for different products you offer. For instance, if some items are particularly big or heavy, you might only want those in a special profile. Carefully select the appropriate products to enhance both your logistics and your customer's experience. Once you've selected your products, it's time to enter your shop location. The location is particularly important as it forms the foundation for calculating shipping costs and times. After your shop location is set, you need to add the shipping zones. Shipping zones refer to the geographic areas you wish to ship to, which can influence cost and delivery time. Detailed shipping zones allow you to tailor shipping rates based on where your customers are located. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully set up a shipping profile that is customized to fit your Shopify store's needs. This setup not only helps streamline your shipping process, but also ensures greater customer satisfaction through accurate shipping information. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!